Are you looking to kickstart your skincare routine but are unsure how? I'm Dr. Pang, and in this two-part series, I will show you how. Besides cleansing, toning, and exfoliating, you could also indulge in a face mask. Face masks contain high amount concentrated vitamins and nutrient-rich ingredients which absorb efficiently into the skin, providing essential hydration and firming benefits. Masks can also be used to control stubborn skin concerns like acne, large pores, and dark spots. Another great addition to your skincare routine would be moisturizing. Moisturizing keeps your skin soft, supple, and protected. It not only targets and treats specific issues in the top layers of the skin, it also provides necessary support for the skin's natural lipid barrier, helping in moisture retention and repelling external irritants. Remember, even oily skin needs moisture and hydration. Finally, in any skincare routine, sunscreen. Daily and consistent sunscreen use helps protect skin against damaging rays that contribute to skin irritation, premature aging, and the formation of certain skin cancers. So, there you have it, my essential guide to kickstarting your skincare routine. And be sure to follow our TikTok for more skincare and aesthetic related content.